Hey, good afternoon. It's January 19th, 2021. I just started a new job here at Miller's Marina Boat Slips and Rentals, but it's actually called Miller's Landing Resort. It's here at Bass Lake. Right now the lake is down for the winter. They drain some of the water out. Then once we get snow up there in the Sierras, it will melt and then refill the lake for the summer. But last night we have the mono winds came through, and they were really going 50, 60, 70, maybe 80 miles an hour, and they did a little bit of damage here. So it's not as choppy as it was. Right now they're probably down to about 25, 30 miles an hour, maybe 40, I'm not sure. But we had some trees come down. You can see here those trees, and then they landed on this cabin right here. This is cabin number 1. But the real damage is back here on the townhome cabins. You can see that big tree there snapped, landed across the deck, took out the whole deck. Now, about 10 years ago, I helped build these townhomes here. But look how it lifted that tree right off. It snapped, went right across that deck, ripped out the whole deck, snapped this beam. Now that's a 12 by 6 beam going across to help support that deck, and it just splintered the heck out of it. Then it went all the way across, caught the roof of this one, broke that deck. Let me see if I get around here. Look at that size of this tree. See my hand on there? This is probably at least 2 foot round. Won't be having a barbecue on this deck anytime soon. Check that out. And then it hit the roof, popped all that loose. I already went inside the home. It didn't break the drywall or any of the interior walls, because it mainly just caught this corner and made it pop. So hopefully the repair won't be too bad. But we'll have to disassemble all this, or he'll have a contractor come out. I might help with a little bit of it, but we'll see how it goes. The insurance hasn't been out yet to assess the damage. Looking across there, see how it landed, hit the roof. So yeah, that's how it is with the mono winds here in the Sierra Nevada mountains at Bass Lake, California. Now these are rental cabins, so if you're looking for a vacation spot, this is a great place to come. Rent boats, jet skis, wave runners, and they have the restaurant and store. Great food, and even have summer parties once in a while. So you can check them out on their website, Miller's Landing Resort, and come on down. Hopefully by the time you come, we have all this repaired. All right, take care. Bye for now.